here's another bad example of a content as well. So Tony Hughes has 300,000 followers, but he treats his content like his LinkedIn feed as if it was Twitter. So I feel like he posts, let's count this. 1, 2, that's 1 hour. Okay, let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's okay. But what I notice is that people treat the feed as if it was as Twitter, but the focus should be on engagement. So for someone who has 300,000 followers, isn't that a missed opportunity for engagement? Which kind of shows that he's either pushing too much and he's not training his algorithm, or he doesn't know how to treat algorithms. But also this like block of text, you don't want to read that, right? I recommend that the hashtags that you should follow is definitely 5. But and I already did this post previously about hashtags already, so you can watch that previously. And I just think about when you create content, try not to do block of content like this. Yeah, Deb, you gave me feedback that every time I switch to a different window, sound is bad. So I'm trying to like keep it consistently to one window at a time. So yeah, okay, who asked? I want to show you videos because I feel like enough about content, but I feel like this is actually a bad post as well, because when you link out to YouTube, what it does is LinkedIn doesn't want you to like push out to a different side of things. They want you to focus on being inside LinkedIn. So pushing things out like a link out or a video out, it kind of encourages you to, the best analogy that I describe it is like you're leaving a door open for and giving people permission to stop reading your content. It's like you're letting them go through that door, right? When you go through that door, you let them go through the YouTube. And YouTube has actually a better, significant content feed that trains people to show videos that you like. So you often ignore LinkedIn because LinkedIn hasn't been trained to show or surface content that is aligned to your interests and to align to your jobs yet. So that's why I find that LinkedIn is a baby in terms of discovery compared to Facebook or compared to like YouTube. And YouTube is probably the best. It's a beast pretty much in terms of surfacing content that's related to your industry and related to your post as well. So I'm trying to think about that. That's why you don't encourage link outs, but it's a good way. If you need to push out links, you need to put it into the comments. Remember that. Okay. So if you want to see a bad example, this is actually, Tony is what I call a traditional poster on LinkedIn. He's not really engaging. He's just pushing for the sake of pushing content, which is not really great because what you're doing is training people to say, oh, I'm not really providing high value. I'm just like posting for the sake of posting. So think about that.